Do you own or manage apartment complexes, townhomes, or duplexes? Are tenants complaining about drainage issues or water in their residence due to leaky gutters? Or are you simply tired of the ongoing gutter cleaning expense? The K-Guard leaf-free gutter system is a perfect solution for eliminating drainage issues and gutter maintenance forever. Check out this project at Whispering Hills, a sprawling apartment complex with over 44 separate buildings, 376 apartments, clubhouse, and pool house. Residents were complaining of drainage issues on the lower units. K-Guard immediately solved the problem for the residents by installing over 8,000 feet of K-Guard and 14,000 feet of downspouts. Not to mention, the entire project was completed in just 2 weeks. Just look at the stark difference of the before and after visuals. Not only will the property manager of this apartment complex never have to deal with gutter maintenance, the dramatically improved look and feel of the K-Guard gutter system automatically adds to the curb appeal for current and prospective tenants. Call 913-229-7550 K-Guard today for a free estimate on your apartment complex, townhome community, or multifamily dwelling investment today.
Call K-Guard to protect your home.